Wi-Fi icon missing, no internet, try these 3 quick fixes. Press the Windows key along with the letter X, or simply head over to your Windows icon and type Device Manager. Now open Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, go to your network adapters, you can extend it, and then go to the Wi-Fi 6. This is your Wi-Fi, it could be have 5 or 4. Right click here and disable the device. Wait for a few seconds and then re-enable it once again. Now this should fix most of the internet now, because you can see that triangle shape disappeared, which means your internet is fixed, and the Wi-Fi icon should probably appear here once again, as you can see. Method: update your Wi-Fi driver and select a different version. To do this, simply head over to the Windows logo once again and type in Device Manager in the search box and open Device Manager. And then right click on the Wi-Fi adapter and click on Update Driver. Now, instead of search automatically for my drivers, click on Browse my computer for drivers and click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here you will see all the drivers that are installed on your PC. For example, in my case, there is a browser here from 24 May 2022, which means this is the driver that came along with the PC when I purchased it the first time. And then it got updated last year in 24/7/2024, which means this is the latest driver. You can select any one of the drivers, or you can try out different drivers until your problem is fixed, and then click on Next. Now this will install the driver on your PC. As you can see, it says Windows has successfully updated your drivers, and close it. Now this will fix the issue as well. And if method 2 did not fix your problem, finally try full reset. Simply head over to the Windows logo once again and go to Settings. Now once you're in Settings, go to Network and Internet and head over to Advanced Network Settings. Once you are here, click on click on Network Reset and then reset your network now. Make sure to keep your Wi-Fi password handy, because you will need it to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. This will reinstall all network drivers and restart your PC. After reboot, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now please comment below to tell everyone which method worked for you, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tricks. See you in the next one.